What's up, people? Jake Dawson here at the Cookies Rib Wagon in Carroll, Iowa. So I've been hearing about these guys for a few years now, and now I'm here to meet the team and smoke some ribs. Let's go check it out. I'm guessing your speed?
How'd you guess it, Monte? Well, you're a lot smarter than I look.
Well, I heard you're the sauce man.
Yeah, that's me.
Let's go check out the smoker.
All right, let's go. All right, here, this is our smoker trailer. That smoker there holds 108 racks.
It's fully loaded?
That's fully loaded. Those ribs will stay in there for about roughly 3 hours. Then they'll glaze them with our sweet hickory barbecue sauce. Okay. Back in for another 15, 20 minutes, and then we'll pull them off, wrap them, and sell them out in front of the trailer. And they're getting pulled pork ready over in the other trailer.
Let's go check it out.
All right, sounds good. Right now we're inside the Cookies Rib Wagon, the official rib wagon. We've got Sydney, my granddaughter, in here getting pulled pork ready for the day.
Sydney, you look like you're working hard. How old were you when you started?
I remember when I was really little, we were doing a show. I don't know that Janine was there and everything, which would be my aunt. And he had me and my cousin Colton shredding like 75 pounds of rib ends. And then after that, I don't think I ate pulled pork for a very long time.
Well, is there any way I can help you, Sydney? You want me to throw in an apron? And
I mean, if you really want to, there's aprons right up there.
I'd love to help.
Okay.
Let's do it. Man, I haven't put an apron on in so long. I think I still got it though. I gotta tell you, Speed, I love the Cookies branding. Red and yellow is like one of my favorite color combos.
Oh, good.
So I just keep looking at your shorts, and those are the best shorts I've ever seen.
Sid, you gonna get some beans made up then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice slow pour for the camera. Even beans can be pretty. How many events would you say you do in a summer?
The way it works out is like if a store has us booked in for the third weekend in June this year, they've got the first right of refusal for that same weekend next year. We do 2 events here in Carroll. We always do a fundraiser for New Hope. My late wife Judy and I both were big supporters of New Hope. It's a home for physically and mentally challenged young adults and older people as well. So we do a fundraiser for them every year, kind of help them because they're not federally funded.
What do you like about doing fundraisers?
I guess I kind of go on the theory you have to pay rent for the space we occupy while we're here. Yeah, and if you're too good of a person and don't think you need to help some of the other people, it's going to be a short life.
So that's a wrap on the Cookies Rib Wagon. Speed the Sauce Man put me to work, but he has a great crew, great food. So come check him out when they roll into your town.